As soon as Shibarium is out, Shiba Inu coin will go from $1,000 to $1 overnight. As Shibarium could solve some of the biggest problems with the Shib project, the Shib ecosystem grows. The Shiba community may have paid the most attention to the second layer of the Shibarium. Today, we'll talk about why Shibarium is going to send Shiba Inu coins to the moon. So watch this video all the way through because the video for today is going to be boring. We're glad you stopped by. Shibas are your daily dose. If you are interested in everything around Shiba, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay on top of all the Shib news predictions and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. You should check out this site. Before we talk about our topic, let's look at the chart to see what's happening with the price of Shiba. The price of the Shiba Inu has been going around the volume point of control, which is $0.118, after losing all of its previous gains. The highest number of trades in the chosen sector is the volume point of control. After the coin was flipped, the price of Shiba Inu stayed stable above the $0.118 support level for a while before starting a 50% rise. When Shib broke through this confluence the day before, the start of the downtrend was confirmed. If the current trend keeps up, the price of Shiba Inu will drop by about 25% and trade between $0.83 and $0.093. This move may look bad in the short term, but it will set the stage for a good move in the long term. At this point, it's funny to see how the price has stayed the same, since the price could form a triple top or go down. The next goal could be anywhere between $0 and 180 cents. Profit levels can stay around these levels for a long time. After a short 43% rise, the weekly support level at $0.87 is expected to go down. If the point of control collapses, price either holds above $0.118 and surges to $0.28, or price breaks through the point of control and drops to $0.83 or $0.093. Shiba price usually surges by 50%, 60%, or 70% in a day or two, then reversing down. And if everything goes as planned, the price could drop by 7.46% by the end of September. Presently, the price has dropped by 2.61% over the past 24 hours and now trading at $0.117. In conclusion, Shiba Inu's ability to produce a daily candlestick close above the $0.118 threshold will signal bearish weakness. The negative forecast would be invalidated if this barrier were to reverse into a support floor. This development could cause the Shiba Inu price to rise before it should. Now let's get back to the topic. With the Shiba Inu ecosystem continuing to grow through its expansive Shib roadmap, projects such as Shib, the Metaverse, and the Shiba Inu game will add to an already extensive network. However, for several other projects in the works, they will all rely on Shibarium. Let's look at what we know about the Shiba and what the Layer 2 can do for it. Shibarium is what? Shibarium is a Layer 2 solution for the blockchain. It was first suggested by Ryoshi, who created the Shiba Inu. Once it goes live, Shib will move to L2. Ryoshi initially used the phrase blockchain Shibarium is more likely to be an L2 that sits on top of an already existing Ethereum blockchain. The Shib creator said in his now deleted blog post that the line between an L2 and own blockchain is thin. What's the difference between Matic, L2, and BSC, really? Shibarium is not its own blockchain, and it doesn't mean that a Shiba Inu 2.0 token is on the way. Shiba Inu will continue to work with Ethereum. One of the main goals will be to lower the fees that people in the Shiba ecosystem have to pay to make transactions. In a blog post, Unification's creators said that transactions would be approved in seconds and would only cost pennies. Does Ryoshi first said that Shibarium transaction fees will be minimal or even zero? Speaking on the Shiba Discord, Satoshi Kusama, the Shiba project lead, said Shibarium will offer low fees for every service, game, or whatever that builds on it. High gas fees is one of the most pressing issues faced by Ethereum. Given Shiba's reliance on the Ethereum network, it suffered from some hefty gas prices. Satoshi went out when the ship was first set sail. The advantages of the L2 on Twitter following backlash to the Jiboxy release. As with other projects, the Layer 2 will have some sort of ship burning mechanism that will cause the ship to burn itself. It could also act as a bridge for other ecosystems. One Shibarium sneak peek says that the Shibarium hackathon will soon give outside developers the chance to build on top of the L2. This event, according to Satoshi, will grant successful teams fund to build on Shibarium release date. Shibarium doesn't have an official release date yet, but it might come out in late 2022. Shibarium developers Unification have confirmed that the Shibarium public beta will launch in Q3 2022. This will happen sooner between July and September 2022. This comes after Unification previously said Shibarium was in alpha. However, comments from members of the Shiba Inu team may have tempered these expectations after putting down rumors that Shibarium would start on September 30. Shib doesn't seem to agree with what Unification said about a public beta in the third quarter of 2022. Several members of the Shib team have said again that no date has been set for the launch of Shibarium. However, the Unification blog shared in text on the official announcement channel in the Shib Discord to say Q3 2022 for a beta. We'll just have to wait and see what happens. Elsewhere in late April, she believed Satoshi Kusama said Shibarium is coming very soon. Satoshi also said that Shibarium documentation, likely in the form of a new blog post, should also come out soon. During the Shiba Inu Alma Discord mod, Queenie tempered release date expectations by affirming the project doesn't do them to avoid disappointing people. She then said that she thinks Layer 2 will come out in 2022. This matches up with previous comments on its release date in September 2021. Satoshi described Shibarium as in the mid-stage. The Shiba team confirmed the Layer 2 remains on track for App 2022 release in a March blog post to developer Eric Kim also said that it will launch faster than Ethereum 2.0, which is still expected to launch in 2022, even though the Ethereum merge date is in September. However, with so many projects on the go, such dates may change depending on priorities and development progress, as Satoshi said in the Discord on January 20th. The game is moving well. Shibarium shy. All progress just needs time. Juggling so much. Will Shibarium use Shib? Even though Shib and Leash tokens are more useful in ShibaSwap right now, neither will be the main pair token for Shibarium. Instead, it will be Bone. Ryoshi explained this reasoning, stating Bone will have a fair and zero start in which we will not have to be concerned about overarching whalebacks. Of course, Shib and Leash holders earn Bone when ShibaSwap first launched, meaning there are likely a hefty number of Bone whales out there. The preview for Unification says that Shibarium validators will also be able to earn Bone through Shibarium so that they can give this Bone to other players. The Shiba Inu DAO voted to halt Bone minting for ShibaSwap instead. The DEX will soon use the new tree token as a reward. Even though Bone was part of Ryuki's original plan, it stopped being made after 230 million tokens. Some users expressed frustration when the December Shib Armory confirmed Bone's role in the L2. That's all for today. Also, we'd like to point out that this is not a channel designed to give financial advice, and we don't ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before